Good morning, my students. Welcome to my class. I am your English teacher of secondary school number 6 after name Temirov Turala. My name is Arapayeva Aziza Urmatbekovna. How are you doing today? I hope you are fine. Before starting our lesson, let's sing hello song.
Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm not so good. I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm not so good. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you?
So children, who wants to answer my questions? What date is it today? What season is it now? What is the weather like today? Thank you for your information. Get ready for the lesson. What was your previous theme? Yes, our previous theme was present perfect tense. When we use present perfect tense, we use the present perfect with the verb to talk about an action that continues from the past to the present. They have lived in Bishkek for 10 years. We use the past simple with the verb to talk about a past action in a period of time which is finished. They lived in Bishkek for 10 years and then moved to Moscow. Your home task was exercise 7 at page 270. Are you ready? So, let's check up. Good job. As you know, we have some rules in English classes. You can speak English. You can drink water. You can ask for help. You can work in groups. You must bring books. You must write. You must listen to the teacher. You must study. You mustn't cheat. You mustn't listen to music. You mustn't sleep. You mustn't eat. Why do you do these things at school? Have we got any special rules in our school? Жанадағы біздің мектепте қандай ережелер бар? I know one British school with a very unusual rule. They say tongue twisters every day after the lesson. Let's do the same thing and train our mouths. Are you ready? Let's watch the screen.
A sailor went to see what he could see. And all he could see was sea. Purple paper people, purple paper people, purple paper people. An ape hates grape cakes. Any noise annoys an oyster, but a noisy noise annoys an oyster more. Friendly fleas and fireflies.
So children, write down today's date and today's theme. School rules. Objectives of the lesson. Educational. To provide learners with the information about the school rules. Explain the meaning of the rules. To teach modal verb must and mustn't. Developing. To develop people's reading, speaking, listening, and writing abilities. To study active vocabulary of the theme and to give learners different tasks. Upbringing. To teach them to respect each other and school rules. We have some new words about rules. Listen and repeat. Greet somebody. Greet somebody. Greet somebody. Kimdir бирөө менен саламдашуу. Greet somebody. Raise one's hand. Raise one's hand. Raise one's hand. Кол көтөрүү. Touch the exhibits. Touch the exhibits. Touch the exhibits. Экспонатка тиүү. Use one's money. Use one's money. Use one's money. Өз манераңды колдон. Line up quickly and quietly. Line up quickly and quietly. Line up quickly and quietly. Бат жана акырын катарга туруу. Clean up one's mess. Clean up one's mess. Clean up one's mess. Аркаңан чачкандарыңды жыйноо. Chew gum. Chew gum. Chew gum. Сагыз чайноо. Climb on exhibit. Climb on exhibit. Climb on exhibit. Экспонатка чыгуу. Exercise 1A. Match the sentences to the pictures. A. Listen to the teacher. Picture 3. B. Come to class on time. Picture 1. C. Raise your hand. Picture 6. D. Be polite. Picture 2. E. Keep the school clean. Picture 4. Do your homework. Picture 7. G. Greet your teachers and classmates. 8. H. Help your classmates. Picture 5. Exercise 2. Match the school rules with the sentences in exercise 1. Listen to the teacher. You must listen to the teacher. Come to class on time. You must come to class on time. Raise your hand. You must raise your hand. Be polite. You must be polite. Keep the school clean. You must keep the school clean. Do your homework. You must do your homework. Greet your teachers and classmates. You must greet your teachers and classmates. Help your classmates. You must help your classmates. It's time to consolidate grammar, must and mustn't. Must, mustn't. School rules. Must. We use must to tell people what they have to do. Examples. You must keep quiet in the classroom. You must sit still in the school hall. You must line up in the corridor. You must wait for your turn in the computer room. You must keep off the grass in the garden. Mustn't. We use mustn't to tell people what they don't do. Mustn't, must not. Examples. You mustn't climb the trees in the garden. You mustn't pick the flowers in the garden. You mustn't spit. You mustn't litter. We use must to talk about something we have to do. We use mustn't to talk about something we don't do. Exercise 5A describes a picture. What is happening in the classroom? Example. The teacher is getting crazy because the student is talking on the phone. Your own answers. Well done. School rules. Picture A. You mustn't read the magazines during the lesson. Picture B. You mustn't chew gum. Picture C. You mustn't be late for class. Picture D. You mustn't listen to music in class. Picture E. You mustn't chat in class. Picture F. You mustn't run in the corridors. Picture G. You mustn't talk on the phone. Picture H. You mustn't write on the desk. Exercise 8. Look at the rules for a school canteen. Complete the gaps with the must or mustn't. The first, you mustn't play with food. Second, you must use your manners. Third, you must clean up your mess. Fourth, you mustn't run in the canteen. Fifth, you must line up quickly and quietly. Sixth, you must eat your own food. Seventh, you must stay in your seat. Eighth, you must be polite. So, it's time for review. Must or mustn't. You mustn't be late for school. You mustn't eat in class. Students mustn't forget their homework. You must eat more fruit. You must put the rubbish in a bin. You must have a shower every day. If you have a sore throat, you mustn't eat ice cream. So children, our lesson is over. I hope lesson was interesting and useful for you. Choose your own traffic light. Red light. Don't understand the material. Yellow light. I have some questions. Green light. Everything is clear. I hope everything is clear. Your homework. Learn the new words by heart. Make up 6 sentences using must and mustn't. Thank you for your work. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Bye bye, goodbye. Bye 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 bye, goodbye. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. Bye bye, goodbye.